Hi everybody, this is Alex, your instructor for ESL 28. I just wanted to welcome you to the course, give you a quick overview of the class, and then show you how to navigate through our Canvas homepage. So let's get started. First of all, as you know, this is ESL 28 Academic Vocabulary Skills. In this class, you'll be learning words from the academic word list. We'll be covering word forms, definitions, core meanings, guessing meaning from context, a lot of skills on how to learn new vocabulary words. So there's a lot you'll be learning in this class. I just wanted to give you some tips to help you succeed in this class. From my own experience teaching this class, there are a couple things that successful students do in ESL 28. First of all, make sure you read the course syllabus, make sure you understand it clearly. If you don't understand something, make sure you ask me. You can reach me by email or you ask one of your classmates. Always check your SMC email. You need to check it every day. Make sure you're checking the due dates for all your assignments. Most of the time the assignments due dates are the same every week. Sometimes they change, but you need to make sure you're very carefully reading the due dates. Make sure you read the directions for each assignment and exam very carefully. Do a little coursework every day instead of waiting until the night before an assignment is due to complete it. It's better if you do a little bit every day so you're having exposure to the language and the vocabulary on a daily basis. And just to help you navigate through the ESL 28 Canvas homepage, I'm going to show you what our homepage looks like. So this is the homepage for ESL 28. You have modules for each of the weeks that we have in class. So for example, we'll start on module 1, course introduction. So there's a list of the things you need to do. There's usually an introduction every week. Welcome to ESL 28 Academic Vocabulary Skills. That's just for this week, the first week, of course. But what you want to really focus on is the weekly calendar. We'll have activities and assignments. It's kind of like a checklist that you can go through. You should do everything on these calendars in the order that they're presented. But if you look on the right hand side of the calendar, you'll have due dates. So you see that the assignments with the due dates are actually graded assignments. Okay, so everything else is usually reading material or activities to help you prepare for the assignments. Okay, so for the first week, you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 assignments that are due. This actually includes your first quiz as well. This week is kind of a short week, but next week, for Module 2, you'll see that you'll have additional assignments. So make sure that you're always checking the weekly calendar to stay up with your assignments. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. I check my email 4 or 5 times a day, so that's the best way to contact me. Good luck in this course, and have a good semester.